Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Imagine enjoying perfectly tender, steaming hot artichokes without the usual hour-long cooking time. Your Instant Pot makes this a reality, delivering delicious results in just about 10 minutes of active pressure cooking. This method is incredibly simple, ensuring your artichokes are never mushy or undercooked, just wonderfully soft and ready to enjoy. Get ready to transform your weeknight meals with this super speedy technique. Before cooking, a little prep work goes a long way. Begin by giving your artichokes a good rinse under cold water to clean them completely. Next, use a sharp knife to carefully trim about an inch off the top, then peel away any of those tough, discolored outer leaves near the stem. For a truly pleasant eating experience, you can also snip off the prickly tips of the remaining leaves with kitchen shears. This simple preparation makes eating so much more enjoyable. Now, let's get your Instant Pot ready for action. First, insert a trivet or a steamer basket into the bottom of the inner pot. This keeps the artichokes out of the water. Then, pour exactly 1 cup of water into the pot. This creates the steam needed for pressure cooking. Finally, carefully arrange your prepared artichokes upright on the trivet, making sure they fit comfortably. You can usually fit 2 or 3 medium artichokes in a 6-quart pot this way. With your artichokes nestled inside, secure the Instant Pot lid and make absolutely sure the sealing valve is set to the sealing position. Now, set your pot to cook on high pressure for about 8 to 10 minutes. Smaller artichokes need less time, larger ones slightly more. Once the cooking cycle finishes, allow for a natural pressure release for 10 minutes. After that, carefully turn the valve to venting to release any remaining pressure, then open your lid. To check for doneness, simply try pulling a leaf from the center of the artichoke. If it detaches easily, they are perfectly cooked and ready. Carefully lift your tender artichokes from the Instant Pot using tongs as they will be hot. Serve them immediately, either whole or halved, with your favorite dipping sauce. Melted butter, a tangy lemon aioli, or even just a squeeze of fresh lemon juice are all fantastic options. Enjoy this delicious, healthy treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.